Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about Hatoshi Global, another mining application with other interesting features. So all you need to do is to click once in every 24 hours and mining continues. So I took out my time to make a research on this application before making this video, and I'll be giving you guys a full review about this application. So in this video we're going to know if it is worth mining, how to mine more, and also I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can sign up and start your own mining straight away. So if you're interested in knowing how all this thing works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you're listening to my voice for the very first time, and you also want to know how to make money online through cryptocurrencies using your mobile phones and your laptops, go down below of this video, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update on how to make some extra cash online. So quickly, I won't take much of your time, let's jump into today. For you to be able to have access to this account, you will need to register an account first of all. So there's a link in the description of this video, just click on it. It will take you straight to a page like this. So what you need to do, the first thing is for you to just write your email over here, put down your email. Then after writing, I've already signed up, I won't be doing that, but I'll just quickly write something for you to see. Right, your email, then you put your email at, if it's Gmail or so, you just put it.com. Then next thing you should do is to click on send, which the send that is over here. Just click on this send, this one. Just click on it. Once you click on send, they are going to send you a verification code that will go straight to the email that you just provided over here. So once you click on it, you get the code in your email address. Once you get it, you go over there, you copy the email, you copy the code, and you put it over here. You bring it and make sure you type in, then you put the code over here. You write your code over here, then you set your password, and you confirm the password that you just said. Then you click over here, you make sure you click there, then you click on sign up, then you click on sign up over here. So once after that is done, if you're going to get a message telling you it has been successful. It's just going to come up on this same screen. You will see it maybe somewhere like here. It's going to pop up, then it's going to tell you the registration successful. So the next thing you should do is for you to click on the next button down here, so you need to click here, register to download app. So after you've registered and it's successful, you need to click there for you to be able to have access to the mining app. So now you click it and then you download. After downloading, you install. It will definitely ask you, it will definitely tell you it could be harmful to your phone, but this is because you are downloading it straight from the website. It is not from the Play Store, so there is no problem. Go ahead, confirm it and download it. Now after downloading, you install your application and you will be getting a page like this. Now this is where everything is going on. This is where the mining is taking place. But once you sign up for as a new sign up, you're going to be getting I think 25,000 of ATOS coin on your balance. I've been mining already for a while now. That is why you can see mine is up to this amount. So this is where you're going to be getting every mine coin, everything you're mining. This is your balance, you always get it there. So you're going to get about 25,000 ATOS on your balance, which is going to be what I think, let me click here. You'll see this is you will see something like 14 here, like $13, something like that over here. But for that price, I don't know. That is not the price yet. It is not yet listed anywhere, so it's not important anyway. Let's just continue. So right now, so once you get to this page like this, all you need to do to be able to enable mining, all you need to do is to click on this button over here, this very button over here. That is what you click on for you to activate your mining. So let's just click on it quickly over here and see what's going to go happen. So click. Okay, now mining just started. And if you're a new user, you will be mining at the rate of 10 Atoshi per hour. So I already have some referral, that's why you can see 60 there. So now what you need to also do in this application is you can also claim these coins, these ATOS coins that are floating on the screen right now. You should always do this. Maybe I think every 10 minutes there are some, these are extra bonuses that come along with the mining, so you need to also claim it sometimes like this. Okay, I'm going to claim all. All right, so you can see my balance has increased. Here's my balance. You can see it has increased, and that is, I think these other coins that are floating, they appear like more often, maybe like every 10-15 minutes. You can come and check, and they are like bonuses that are given to you, you know, to add up to your mining. For us to be able to get more of this ATOS coin, you will either need to use the shop, which is over here, or you invite a friend. So now for the shop, I think I'm going to make more videos or talk more about that later, because I'm not yet sure of how it works. But it's maybe let me click on it so that you can see, quickly click on it so you can see what it looks like. It's like a shop, it's like a shop where you can buy stuffs with your ATOS coin, you know. But right now it has no value, but I don't really know, I don't really have good idea of how the shop works. But anyway, you can make more coin by using the shop and also by inviting a friend. You click over here to invite a friend. Let me quickly show you where I clicked invite a friend by clicking over here. So once you click on it to bring you here, then you can copy your share link. Click on share this link, then you click on it, it will automatically copy the link for you. You can as well use the postals if you wish, you know. You can as well use them and post with your friends and share with your friends or in groups, you know, so you can make more of the ATOS coin. So and there's one more thing I want to say. This is not a financial advice, but I would like to tell you guys this. Now, this project is actually new. A lot of people are not yet mining this, are not yet mining the ATOS coin with the ATOSHI application. So a lot of people are not yet on it, and it is actually easy to acquire the coin right now. So as for me, I feel this is the right time to hop on it and quickly acquire more of the ATOS coin, because we never know what is going to turn out tomorrow. And the more people get to know this platform and start mining, the more difficult it's going to become. Now quickly, the Remitano recently launched their mainnet for the Rene coin, and it is actually doing well right now. Now lots of people that didn't mine the Rene coin, or let me say those that didn't even take their mining seriously, are really regretting right now. And it all started just the same way. So guys, what I'm saying here is, once you see opportunities like this of how to mine free coin, don't just overlook it. You can go ahead, try it. It's actually free and it doesn't take much of your time. You just have to click once in every 24 hours. So quickly, once you get into this application, take your time to click over here where it is written web. Let me show you where it is written web here. You can scroll down. You are going to read, take your time to read everything here. It's going to help you understand the process of the application and the project in general. To help you understand this, the white paper is also located here. Where is it? You can see it over here. The white paper is over here, so take your time to read and know what is going on with this project. So guys, there's a link in the description if you want to join us and start this mining journey. So guys, there's a link in the description. Click on it, sign up, and follow every single step I showed you in this video, how you can create your account and start mining the ATOS the ATOS coin. So guys, that is how it works. If you like what I just showed you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified once I upload another brand new update about the ATOS application. I'm going to be bringing you guys new updates about this application along the line. So stick to my channel, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming up soon. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye.